What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and repel water from your windshield. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe. I do a lot of these auto and home projects. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash off our windshield, and we're going to use that with just some water. We're going to also put some car wash soap on there too. Then we're going to get one of these steel wool soap pads, like an SOS pad, or you could use like some sort of scouring pad, and we're going to wash it with this to get all the real deep fine dirt out of the glass. You're just going to scrub it like this. Real good. Don't be afraid that it's going to scratch it. Okay, we'll go ahead and wash it off now. Now we're going to go ahead and dry it real good. Alright, now what you want to get is some of this new finish car polish. I'll put a link in the description for you guys, but we're going to apply this to the windshield just like regular car wax. We'll put a little on a applicator and rub it on. I went ahead and divided the windshield so we can go ahead and see which one does better. And this is going to show you guys the preventative power of this against water. You just apply it, light little glaze on it, and we're going to wait a couple minutes for it to dry. Alright, it's been a couple minutes, so go ahead and get a clean towel, and we're going to polish it all off. Okay, so what this is going to do is really repel and beat up the water. Let's go ahead and spray it, and I'll show you the difference in the two windshields. Look at how much it's sheeting off on the right side compared to the left. Look at the difference in the right side compared to the left side. The water is beating and sheeting off completely. Alright, so I finished up the other side. So I was going to say the second line of defense I'd recommend is getting some of this Rain-X windshield wiper fluid. Don't get the cheap stuff. This stuff is better, and it's going to keep providing a rain repellent to your windshield. So just go ahead and fill up your reservoir with this stuff. The cheap stuff is also a lot more caustic, and it can actually damage your paint. Alright, cool. So we've got the windshield polished, cleaned, and we've got the windshield reservoir full of the Rain-X. I was also going to say one more thing is to get your wiper blades changed, and then you're going to have a great protection during the rainy season. And you could do this another time, the polish, probably about twice during the rainy season. But alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel, check out my page. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.